Okay guys, I have good news for you. We are going to start next year in 2026 in January, the Marine Engineering program. And we are going to start the first semester. We are going to start on January the 10th, and we have laboratories every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. during the morning. And it's in a blended mode. You have classes during the week online. You need to follow the videos, follow the quizzes, follow the laboratories online in our website mttedu.org, and you have laboratories each Saturday. Okay, we are going to start on January the 10th until May 16, 5 months, first semester, and we are going to cover the courses of Introduction to Marine Engineering, the course of Basic Electricity, and the course of Advanced Electricity with the same book, and finally the course of Marine Electronics. Yes, my friend, 4 courses in row, 5 months, starting on January the 10th, and we are going to finish on May 16, the second weekend of May. All right, my friend, this is a long program. This is the first semester. If you enter in our website www.mttedu.org, you can see a special price and a special discount if you pay for the program in total for the 4 courses in row: Intro, Basic Electricity, Advanced Electricity, and Marine Electronics. All right, please, this is the moment. Register. The program starts on January the 10th. The first weekend of January, we are going to start a new program in English in our new facilities in Southwest Ranches. Yes, we have special prices. You can pay in different forms, in 2 quotes, in 3 quotes, in 4 quotes. All right, enter in our website, check the modes, check the courses, check the books, and register as soon as possible. See you on January the 10th to start the first semester of the Marine Engineering program.